Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 microphone not working. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy. Click Microphone. Turn on microphone access for this device. Choose which microphone store apps can access your microphone. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sounds. Click Recording tab. Check Show Disabled Devices and also check Show Disconnected Devices. Select Microphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Levels. Change to Maximum. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click Microphone, click Properties. Click Driver tab, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click Microphone, click Properties. Seek Driver tab, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Restart System. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.